I have so much respect for you. Okay. Ito na mangyayari. I want you to stand right over here. Madam, right over here. Okay. Welcome to the grand final of the Bato Bato Big Battle Royale. Two people stand before you tonight to battle at a best of 5 first to 3 grand finale. The winner will take home 10,000 in SM gift certificates and the title of the Bato Bato Big Battle Royale Championship Trophy. Wala ba kayong mga kampar? Immortality, number 5, ang pag-una. So keep the music going, DJ, please, don't stop. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here's what we're gonna do. First to 3 takes home the championship and the 10,000. One step forward, one step forward. Mga kaibigan to my right, one round of applause to Melissa Mega World, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, representing Couples for Christ, 4-time.
Christ Commission.
Representing Christ Commission Fellowship. Mga kaibigan, 4-time Bato Bato Big Battle Royale Champion. A round of applause to Denise Sher! Pleasure to know your fellowship for the first time tonight. So here's what we're gonna do. This is first to 3. Let's get this started. Kamao sa harap. DJ, some boss battle music, please. Kamao sa harap. Ladies and gentlemen, in 3, 2, 1. Bato Bato Big! 1 point to Nicola. It is 1-0. Fellowship, tinatalo mo, walang respeto, walang mga respeto. Round number 2, fist in front. In 3, 2, 1, Bato Bato Big! Bato Bato Big! Bato Bato Big! Oh, Mega World! Pressuring the 4-time champion of QC. Please step forward. Please step forward. Eto na, I've seen this before with Madam Janice. 1993, her second championship, pinauna-munang kalaban. And then gave you divine intervention. Kamao sa harap, ladies and gentlemen. In 3, 2, 1. Bato Bato Big! Bato Bato Big! Sabi ko sa inyo! Will this be the comeback? Kamao sa harap. 2-1. Mega World down, but on the verge of a championship. Will it be 2-2? Fist in front. In 3, 2, 1. Bato Bato Big! Sabi ko sa inyo! Sabi ko sa inyo! Napitin ang comeback! Naku! Ito na! Ito na! Do you feel it? Do you feel it? Ito na! Sinong mas malakas kay Lord? Malaki. Kamao sa harap. For the win. For the win. In 3, 2, 1. Bato Bato Big! Bato Bato Big! Ladies and gentlemen, what did I tell you? 4-time Bato Bato Big Champion! Jesus is here, ladies and gentlemen. Do you feel it? Do you feel it? Hallelujah! Ladies and